this show was released back in 2021, Donnie, almost broke the platform because of the views and users wanting to know how the story will end. And eventually, it had a second season for He's Into Her, which was equally as phenomenal. But of course, Donnie, looking back at your experience with I Want and He's Into Her, how was it like for a younger version of Donnie to be entrusted with such a big show like He's Into Her? And what, I guess, yung advice mo to all the up-and-coming artists as well?
Wow. No, that was a crazy time. You know, 2021. Kailan ba kami nag-look test nun? Siguro 2019 or something, diba? So, yeah, the fact that we were entrusted such a big show by ABS-CBN and by I Want, looking back at it now, I'm really proud of the whole team kasi we were a bunch of kids, to be honest. I mean, it was a really young group. And we had a lot of people guiding us. Siyempre yung I Want, yung ABS, Star Magic, managers namin, everyone. But the fact that they put us out there and they were willing to kind of risk, you know, everyone, the producers, they were willing to risk money and time just to put a really good adaptation on screen. Sobrang nakakaba, siyempre, nakaka-pressure nung time na yun. Pero kami kasi sobrang G kami. Yun nga kasi, bata pa kami, alam mo yun, like we were super G to do anything. But because of what happened, you know, with the pandemic, and we started shooting, tapos biglang nag-stop yun eh. Nag-shoot na kami ng first half. So, if you guys would notice, yung mga ibang episodes namin, iba yung itsura talaga namin. Sobra. Kasi yung iba nag-mature na. Ako, nagpalaki ako. Tapos yung ibang, yung ibang characters hindi na rin pwede. There was a shift talaga eh. Akala ko nga nung nag-stop kami, pull out na yung show, back up na. Kasi, syempre, ang hirap naman nun. 1 year break, tapos babalik kayo. But hindi, I Want really believed in it, and the whole team. So I'm very glad to be a part of it. What I love about I Want talaga, and ABS of course, is they always find a way to reinvent themselves. And dito na talaga papunta yung future natin, di ba? Online, digital space. There's so much room for everyone. So if you ask the advice, just focus on your craft, you know? I'm still learning every day. That moment, you know, when I entered as Dave, alongside Max and the whole crew, sobrang naging sponge lang kami kasi first time ko rin talaga na magbida sa isang serye na ganun. So, you just have to keep learning, be open, of course, learn from the people around you, and be very grateful because you are not given this opportunity all the time. So, again, I just like to thank I Want kasi syempre malaking parte kayo ng buhay ko. And I'm just so excited to see what I Want has for us in the future. So, yeah. I love you guys. Thank you.
Palakpakan naman natin ng I Want. Pinush talaga nila ang He's Into Her.
Yes. And diba, not only that, not only are we able to make all of the watchers feel different types of emotions, but we're also creating opportunities for young artists as well. Care of I Want. Kaya again, thank you so much, I Want. Palakpakan natin ulit ang I Want. And thank you, Donnie, for sharing that. Ayan. Okay. So, after Donnie, of course, it's now time to talk about what is ahead. It's time to talk about the future. Kaya naman, Direct Rodina and Red, this is your time to shine, yes? Even before today's relaunch, I Want has long supported local creatives like you guys. And syempre, both on-cam and off-cam. But now, with its smarter interface and refreshed user experience, it's clearly stepping up as a globally competitive platform. And syempre, as Filipino storytellers, guys, who have worked across different media and formats, how does this new I Want excite you? Okay, go ahead, Direct.
Well, ako excited ako firstly because ito ang aking ABS-CBN project after my first feature sa Cinnamon Originals. So shout out kay Tanet. Tanet Down is here. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be the showrunner of a Fam Wives Club. So going back to the question, well, unang-una excited ako doon. But also pangalawa because we're seeing a shift, di ba, in terms of content consumption, ganyan. Ako as a creator, I don't speak for anybody or everyone here, pero sa akin as an independent creator, very important nag-shift tayo to digital kasi magiging powerless ng MTRC. Sorry, hindi, but more than that, no. But as a creative, you know, personally, I believe that digital is the future because of that fact. Pero syempre, hindi pa rin natin sure kasi merong threat talaga. Merong, di ba, may attempt to regulate the internet. But I hope na while we are rebuilding, especially transitioning to digital, no, from TV to digital, sana mas marami pang materials and contents na maproduce ng iWants, film series na mas magkikater, yung very likely hindi mapapalabas sa television because of so many reasons. Pero dahil may iWant na, mapapanood na natin siya at mabubuhay na yung mga ganitong klase ng kwento. So, watch out for our fam wives.
Yes, thank you so much, Direk Rodina. Okay, Red.
Hello. Echoing yung same sentiments si Direk. No? I think may mga bagay na talagang nakakarating sa TV and may mga bagay, there are artists that want to be heard na hindi makakarating sa TV and I think that's what good platform is yung sa iWant because they're really championing a lot of voices like ours. My first na pinaka-mainstream na foray I think for stand-up comedy was yung special ko sa Netflix called Mabuhay Sa Live. But then parang ang dating is parang nag-iisa or parang dalawang comedians pa lang na local ang nagkakaroon ng ganong klaseng exposure worldwide I guess or on like a major platform. What's good here with iWant is that when I came in here and pitched, I came in here to pitch the scene. So I want to tell people there are others na stand-up comedians na hindi lang mataba at kulot, 'di ba? Na meron din silang mga masasabi and that's what I'm working on with these guys. And they've greenlit it na. Binayaran nila ako ng 2 billion pesos. Grabe, salamat talaga iWant. Oh my God. All that money. Thank you. Joke lang po. Ayo, baka mawala yung trabaho ko. Joke lang po yun. Realize ko lang baka hindi.
Baka nasa news na ni
baka
Judge
seryoso
Jeff
masyado.
Kaya yan.
Or baka naman.
The upcoming one, it's very nice kasi we're gonna feature the best and the brightest rising stars of stand-up comedy din sa Pilipinas. And hopefully, anong advocacy ko yun eh, I always want to give spotlight to the scene. If people watch my stuff sa Netflix and di sila natawa, I think most of people baka di natawa, ang objective ko was like, oh hindi kayo natawa, manood kayo ng iba na stand-up comedians because they have something to say. And I'm glad that iWant is enabling us. So yun. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Red. We are so excited.
I'm very excited.
Yes.
That 2 billion pesos.
Abangan yan sa TV Patrol.
Yes. Jump Kanoy. ABS-CBN News. Charis. Okay,
Grabe,
Jay.
no? So much insights from all our creatives and even our artists now. Seeing all of these people here, talagang it amazes me and excites me even more sa lahat pa namang pwedeng i-offer, especially yung talents natin mga Pilipino. And of course, no, to close this conversation on a high note, we'd love to know naman, what are you most looking forward to in your continued partnership with the new iWant? Let's start with Direk Rodina.
Other than the reality show, I hope sana makagawa rin ako ng ano. Wow, look forward. Well,
Actually,
sana
ito.
makagawa din tayo ng narrative, di ba? Ng series or kahit kung ano man ang pwedeng available. Kasi iba rin talaga yung home of Filipino films, ika nga. Pero mas maganda pa rin kapag kontrolado mo lahat talaga ng kwento. As compared to reality, the challenge was to just, everything else kailangan ready, di ba? Pero with narrative kasi, everything, lahat talaga na nakikita mo sa frame, you have the power to do it. So, ako yan yung look forward ko. Wow, nagpre-rin.
Perfect. Pwede na mag-pitch pala today.
Oo, no, baka naman.
Perfect time. Next, let's follow si Red naman.
Yes.
Ako, I'm really looking forward sa lahat ng pera na kitain natin together. Ayaw niyo ba ng pera? Yun din, same din. Siyempre na nag-pitch kami, maraming concepts and I'm very much looking forward to making more things na usually inihirapan ng ibang tao. Like ako, since 2007 I've been a stand-up comedian and since that time siguro I've been a creative, I've been a writer, a producer, and I've always tried to pitch things to some people and then maramdaman mo minsan pag yung producers parang na-weirdohan pag yung title ng series mo is Ang Amo Kong Alien. Parang gano'n. So, pero si Jamie, sabi niya, game, gawin natin. Pero yun, doon ako natutuwa because sa pitching process pa lang, it's very open. And they really want to enable all these stories. So thank you kay Jamie tsaka kay Jolly rin. So yun, that's really amazing for a creative like me.
Kung kailangan nyo pa ng mga aliens, parang pwede naman.
Thank you so much, Red. Okay, next naman, Direct Ivan.
Hello. Ayun. Well, looking forward for more original content talaga from iWant. Since we're doing Love at First Spike, parang nag-open din yung doors for independent creators such as myself na pwedeng magkwento ng mga kwento na personal din sa kanila na hindi mo usually nakikita sa mainstream. At iWant is giving a platform for creatives like us. So looking forward din. Kasi nagbibigay sila din ng trabaho at opportunities for
Yes.
people like us na talagang who just want to tell stories, na gustong mag-hustle. And luckily, nabigyan tayo ng opportunity na magkwento and hopefully mas marami pang mga tao kasi maraming magagaling na Pilipino, maraming magaling na creatives na hindi nabibigyan ng boses, and I feel like iWant is giving that voice dun sa mga hindi masyadong naririnig lagi. So yun. So looking forward for more original content for iWant.
I'm curious direct now. Ano yung, kasi yung current series mo is mostly parang youth rom-com, di ba? That also talks about the queer community as well. Kung magkaka-next original ka naman, what genre would it be?
Takot kasi ako sa horror, pero parang gusto ko siya i-try.
Wow.
Kasi matatakot din talaga ako, so baka naman. iWant, let's go.
Pang November, oh.
Malapit na yung Halloween. But thank you so much, Direct Ivan. Next naman, Sir Jeff Canoy.
Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, parang binuksan ng Beanie yung docu-life ulit ng news department. So you can expect more documentaries on iWant. This morning, we just dropped a documentary on Arnolfo Teves Jr. We have one with Pope Leo, another about nuclear plants that are abandoned and nobody used. So we have more coming up. At sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung partnership ng iWant with the news department because it allows us to tell long-form stories. At syempre, yung inaabangan ng lahat, kung may chapter 4 daw ba yung Beanie. Pero let's see. Hatiin na agad si Sir Jamie.
Ready na din. Pero quick question also, Sir Jeff, no? Kasi I noticed parang yung dami ng mga documentaries can be more pa in the future. May message ka ba sa mga gustong gumawa ng mga documentaries as well?
Just do it. Alam mo, parang marami magsasabi sa'yo ng mga hadlang, pero at the end of the day, medyo empowered na lahat because of, di ba? Sa dati, kailangan mo pa ng malaking camera, ng ilaw,
Production
ng all
dapat.
that. Ito, cellphone, nakakagawa ka na ng buong documentary. So, in terms of equipment, hindi na dapat hadlang. Pangarap na lang yung kailangan mong puhunanan to really tell stories. Saka sa panahon na unti-unting binabawi yung katotohanan from us, mahalaga na mas marami tayong storytellers sa papanig doon sa katotohanan. So, I encourage everyone to pick up their own cameras, whatever form, and be truth tellers through documentaries.
Ang ganda nun, di ba? Mas nare-reveal pa yung mga stories na kailangan masabi sa publiko as well. Thank you, Sir Jeff. How about you, Donnie?
Ayun, ang ganda nung sinabi nila lahat eh.
Appreciate
Yun na
it.
mismo yun eh. Tama talaga. You know, seeing a glimpse of the new interface, yung mga bagong aabangan sa iWant, yung mga upcoming shows, and just this new direction that iWant is going through. Ako, totoo, I'm just really excited to see next level Filipino stories and Filipino cinema. Yun talaga yun. Kasi at the end of the day, kayang-kaya talaga natin eh. And we've seen that through and through, and we're seeing that more and more every day. So I think as iWant gives more opportunities to creatives, to directors, to artists, to producers, to collaborate and to get together to create magic, more and more of that will show as we progress. And ako, syempre, as an artist, I also look at that. Like we were talking with Direk Lauren and Sir Jamie about ways that we can also collaborate, you know, with the shows that we go through. Kasi you really have to own it, di ba? Iba na pag kasama ka rin in the back end of things. So that's also something I would like to explore. And yeah, I'm just very excited to see the next level of Filipino stories with iWant.
Love that. Nakaka-curious, ha? Parang do you see
Oo.
yourself also directing in the future
Yes.
and making stories as well?
Script
Hindi
writing.
naman siguro directing, more of just producing or being a part of it talaga on the back end of things. So, and we're starting to do that already with the projects that we're talking about now. what I love about most about I Want and even ABS-CBN, sobrang collaborative nila. They really listen to the people who are on board. And that's very much needed if you want to create something that everyone feels like they're a part of.
Mas may power talaga pag nagko-collaborate together.
Yes, so interesting. And syempre, di ba, we call I Want as the home of Filipino feels. Pero hearing what Donnie said and all of the creators, like, grabe yung collaboration in I Want, ABS-CBN. So basically, we all feel at home. And with that being said, parang we are all, kaya nafe-feel din sila at home ng mga viewers natin. Because I Want is basically a home, di ba, for
Totoo
everyone.
yan. So thank you. Thank you so much everyone, especially sa mga panel members natin for sharing your thoughts and vision. We are so proud to have you here sa